square root of 320?
It's 17.8, but I thought you were supposed to like add some text, like get extra part of this. You want extra?
The square root of 320 is equal to 17.8, rounded off, it'll be what?
18.
It'll be 18.
It said the nearest 10.
Yeah.
So 10, TH, right?
So it's just equal.
It'll be 18.
She said rounded to, you said rounded to the nearest 10.
10. So it'll be 18. Reason why? Because it's no 1, it goes straight to 10. So if I round 8 off, what would it be? I know, but it's a freshman. I forgot. Okay, so you're gonna have one that's just like this. Then you're gonna have a, wait. We're gonna have one that's missing a, that has C in a side leg. So what do we do when we have C squared and a side leg? What do we need to do to get our answer? Say it again. Subtract. What are we gonna do, class?
Subtract.
So make sure you know to subtract. Okay, so I'll wait. Yeah. So this is gonna be kind of tricky. Guys, let's go to let's go to this, the second handout. Let's go to the second handout. Thank you for tracking me. So here it says, we know that a triangle is a right triangle, then we know that if a triangle is a right triangle, then what? Then what?
What did you say?
We know the next paper. My hand up. Spit it up. So now there's a level, there's 2 levels, 2 is for chewing gum. I asked you one to spit it out already. Because I'm comfortable, I'm asking you to do something over here.
You only got 3 points.
I shouldn't have to ask you number 1. I shouldn't have to ask you at all.
Wait, but that's level 1. Wait, I think what she's trying to say is it's a level 1 if you, oh. I found you.
My hand up. Okay, so the last one that's gonna help us reach our goal is me saying, okay, so a triangle has 2 sides. 2 sides. A triangle has 2 sides. One is 45. Oh no, let's go number 2. one is 15 and one is 21. How would I find the last cycle? What would I need to do? Yes. I don't have this one. One is 21, one is 15. So I gotta mark that out. One is 21, one is 15. How would I find the last cycle?
You have to subtract, you'll have to square 15, square 21, and then subtract 15 squared from 21 squared.
Great. So let's flip to the back. To justify silence.
Oh, I remember we did this.
Okay, with that being said, do number 4, silently. Use your calculator to justify the silence. Who don't know how to justify the silence?
Can you do the problem one?
I'm gonna do the first one for you. Because I see 3 numbers, I'm not gonna automatically say it is a right triangle. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to say 12 squared plus 24 squared equals c squared. I don't know if c squared is gonna actually be 36. So to see if it's true, I'm literally going to put in my calculator, 12 squared, which is 144, plus 24 squared, which is 576, which equals 144 plus 570. It equals 720. So I need to know if 720. I need to know if 720 actually equals up to 36 squared. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to say the square root of 720 is equal to 26 squared. I'm gonna say the square root of 720 is equal to 26 squared. So is this true or not?
No.
No. Yes.
Okay,
We
so
have 2
then,
things, I have 2 things. One, we should all have pencils. So let's fix it if we don't. But remember, the whole premise of this lesson is to prove whether or not it is a right triangle. We can prove it's a right triangle by using the Pythagorean theorem. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to say, Mr. Moore, what values go where? Because I always write my equation first. So the first step is to write a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I should see everybody on example number 2 writing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're gonna do that in 10, 9. Everybody's writing a squared plus b squared equals c squared on example number 2. 8, 7, 5 on example number 2. Where it says 16, this is example number 2. 4, 3, a squared plus b squared. Shouldn't even take us 10 seconds. We're gonna add it to your example. You guys, it is essential that you always write the equation. As you go into algebra next year, you have to write your equation first, and we're going to progress vertically. So again, I'm trying to prove if this is the right triangle. I know if it's the right triangle if they equal out to each other. So I need to say, what's gonna go in A, what's gonna be in B, what's gonna be in C? Well, what number would I automatically grab to put into B and Y? Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna put the largest number in C, but why? Because we know what? That's the total. What do we know about the big winter?
Because the hypotenuse is C and the hypotenuse goes on the longest side.
Exactly. The hypotenuse is C, and it's always the longest side. So what value should I put in C? 16. 16 squared. What about A and B? Does it matter what values I put in A and B?
No.
So I can put 11 here, or 11 here, or put 9 here, or 9 here. So as I walk around, I should see your equation, and I should see that you have plugged in your equation in 15 seconds. Give me some. Stop. Eight. Thank you, my Asia. Thank you, Jamari. Thank you, Rain. Thank you. Thank you, Winter. Thank you, Mia. I'm waiting for the equation. Oh, it's so little, but thank you. All right, everybody has it down. Now I'm trying to see if they are equal equations. So all I need to do is in my calculator, I'm going to say, well, what's 11 squared plus 9 squared? I can put that all in my calculator all at once. So I just want to make sure we're on the same page. I'm going to put that in my calculator all at once.
What happened?
11 squared plus 9 squared equals what? 202.
It's because you know 81 plus. What did you just put?
Then I'm going to come and say, well, what's 16 squared? In my calculator, I'm going to type it in. 16 squared is 256. Is 202 equal to 256?
No.
So that means that this is not a triangle. So right triangle, no. The sum, and we're going to use our definition, the sum of the legs is not too much work. Y'all got to stop being lazy. The sum of the legs is equal to does not equal to, is not equal to, I'm sorry, is not equal to what?
22. The hypotenuse.
To the hypotenuse. That's all you're doing. So with that being said, you have now an example of what the work should look like. For example, 3 and 4. Ms. Guy, how much time do you want to give them for those two examples? 2 minutes? 2 minutes, you guys should be able to get through. What do you think? Two. All right, you guys said you have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to get through examples 3 and 4.
Mr. Moore.
How are we going to do
He
this?
would have to have
Solid, solo. You guys are gonna work on examples 3 and 4. When I say go, I'm gonna be coming around on that first loop. Ms. Guy's gonna come around this half, and I'm coming around here. We're looking to make sure that you have your equation and have plugged in the values. Any questions? Charisma, what am I gonna be looking for?
That's not my name.
Taryn. I'm sorry, Taryn. I'm sorry. Me sorry. Taryn, what am I looking for on my first lap? Don't shut down on me. That was an accident. It was an accident. I'm sorry. What am I looking for on my first lap?
I don't even know.
Uh-oh, help him out with those. Yeah, me and this guy walking around. What are we looking for? Equation and the plug-in value. Okay. How much time do we have, Eric? 2 minutos. There you go. Calculate, you always got
You already have
one.
one? What happened to the one you had?
I'm looking for the equation. Eric has already had things down. Rain is already on example number 3. She just needs to add her justification in. Chantel is already done with example number 3. Thank you. My money is rocking it out as always. Winter.
Hello.
Mia has worked through example 2. Is Cheyenne still using a pen? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start throwing them in the trash.
No, what? I spent my
No.
$106.
So that is just going into their example. This is an example. That's just because I ran out of space. Taryn, not charisma. Tamia is on example number 4. She's written her justification. Now just know, it says justify. Come on, Kennedy. You got 100 on your exit ticket yesterday. I know you can do it. They told me you
Can I
do
get
it.
another, calculator, please?
Yes, well, ask us, Scott.
Can I
Yes,
get another?
why?
I mean, calculator.
They have to. I put the example, that's the example right there. You raise your hand and let me know so that I can help you. You don't get to go to the nurse. I need you to put in that work right now. So is this, are they equal to each other? What's 29 squared? How come it doesn't say 841 equals 841? That's on this side. But what about the other side? I said 202 equals 206. That's not true. My final answer should have two numbers by themselves on each side of the equal sign. But that's how I'm going to prove it. So what I'm correct. So what I'm asking you to do is say this equals, this is 841. You need to put your equal sign and you need to say, well, what is 29 squared? If it's 841, then you should see 841 equals 841. Come on, let's go. That's my feedback to upgrade. I'm not gonna sit here and let you not do nothing.
Okay, guys.
Which one is me?
You have to hit them.
Yes.
You're doing the third one. I did a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and then I did 20 squared plus 21 squared equals c squared, and then I did 400 plus 441 equals c squared, which equals 841, and then I did 29 squared to see if that equals 841, and it does. So 29 squared equals 841. And I said, yes, the sum of the legs are equal to the hypotenuse.
Now, what if I have one that didn't give you this leg right here? How would you figure it out?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So if they give you 2 legs, right? If you have 2 legs, to find the missing third leg, what would that? If they give you the hypotenuse and a leg, how would you find the missing third leg?
Subtraction.
Say it again.
Subtraction.
Subtract. How?
Literally do the same thing.
But we don't know if they give you 2 legs. Okay, so right now I need for you guys to open up your laptops. Go on to Illuminate. So you're opening up your laptop, you're going on to Illuminate. Once you log in, you're going to see I'm gonna wait till one gets to Illuminate. Once you get to Illuminate, track me.
No.
So I'm waiting on you guys to get to Illuminate. Track me. Once you're there.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you guys 30 more seconds.